The 8Bitdo Retro Mechanical Keyboard, featured among the top 5 best gaming keyboards on Amazon, stands out with its unique blend of nostalgia and modern functionality. Inspired by classic designs, this keyboard offers compatibility with Windows 10, 1903, or above and Android 9.0 or above, catering to a wide range of users. Whether you prefer a wireless setup via Bluetooth or 2.4G connection, or the reliability of a wired connection, the 8Bitdo Retro Mechanical provides versatile connectivity options. Its 87-key layout, Box Switch V2 White, and Die Sub PBT keycaps deliver a tactile and responsive typing experience. The top mount style and hot swappable PCB, supporting N key rollover, enhance customization possibilities for enthusiasts. The inclusion of dual super buttons, programmable without software, adds a unique touch for instant key mapping. The classic power status LED and independent control panel contribute to the retro aesthetic, while the ultimate software V2 allows for comprehensive keyboard mapping. Overall, the 8Bitdo Retro Mechanical not only pays homage to the classics but also provides a modern and versatile gaming keyboard experience, making it a noteworthy choice among the top gaming keyboards on Amazon.